Hello students, myself Ravin Kumar and I hope you all are fine. Once again I have come with a new topic and today's our topic is determiner. So in this topic we will try to know what is determiners and how many its kind. So there is a definition of determiner. Determiners include a group of words that are used before noun or noun phrases. जी हाँ बच्चों, डिटरमाइनर्स वे शब्द हैं या शब्दों के वे समूह होते हैं जो कि नाउन या नाउन फ्रेजेस के पहले यूज़ किए जाते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, आई वेटेड फॉर माई फ्रेंड. Here the word my, it is determiner and it has been used friend, and friend is a noun. And second, can you buy me this cycle tag? Here the word this is determiner and cycle, it is noun. In third sentence, the old man and the young boy went for a walk. Here the and a are the determiners. In fourth sentence, whose house is this? The word whose is determiner. So dear students, actually determiner is a kinds of adjective, because you can see here adjective as determiners. यानी जो determiners होते हैं वो actually एक adjective ही होते हैं. There are two kinds of adjective. For example, in first descriptive adjective and second is determiner adjective. So what is descriptive adjective? We will see here. It is used both attributively and predicatively to denote the quality, shape, size and color of a noun. In first sentence you can see she is an honest girl. Here the word honest, it has been used attributively. Okay, attributively क्या होता है? यानी वे एडजेक्टिव जो कि ठीक नाउन से पहले यूज किए जाते हैं उनको हम एट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव कह सकते हैं. एंड इन सेकंड सेंटेंस, द गर्ल इज ऑनेस्ट. द वर्ड honest, it is adjective and it has been used at the place of predicate, so it is used as predicative. So you have understood about the descriptive adjective. Now let's try to know about the determiners adjective. अब determiners adjective क्या है? It is used to show how the noun is being used. It is used only before a noun. अब determiners adjective जो होते हैं वो केवल noun से पहले ही आते हैं. यानी जो यहाँ पे आपने देखा, जो descriptive adjective होते हैं वो noun से पहले भी आते हैं, एक attributive के रूप में और एक predicative के रूप में भी आते हैं. लेकिन जो determiners होते हैं वो हमेशा इसमें एट्रीब्यूटिव के रूप में ही आते हैं. वो कभी भी प्रेडिकेटिव के रूप में यूज़ नहीं किए जा सकते. तो हियर आर सम क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ डिटरमाइनर्स अकॉर्डिंग देयर फंक्शन. फर्स्ट डिटरमाइनर इज आर्टिकल. आर्टिकल, I think you all are aware about the article as a and the. These are the articles and these articles are the determiners. For example, in first sentence, Mohan is a great teacher, and second, the new plant has a flower. In third, the car is front of the house is mine. So these are determiners and these are the articles. Now second, demonstrative. Demonstrative are also determiners. जैसे can you give me this pen? The word this is the determiner. And second, those children are quite naughty. तो यहाँ पे दोज जो हैं वो डिटरमाइनर्स है। बट दिस इज माई पेन, this is my pen, the word this, it is not determiner because it is a pronoun. Third, possessives, she will buy my car, तो my it is possessive determiner, तो it is also a determiner. And second, this car is mine, I, but one thing you have to know कि this car is mine, the word mine is not a determiner, it is a pronoun. And in third, I shall visit their house, so there is the determiner and it is a possessive. In fourth, determiners of quantity, a few, a little, all, both, enough, many, much, some, and whole, several. These all are the determiners of quantity. So let's see. Fifth, determiners of number. We will take 10 minutes to reach. So 10 it is determiner. In second, I have 3, so 10, 3 and first, these all are the determiners of number. It may be ordinal number or cardinal number. And in sixth, determiners of distribution, either, neither, each and every, these are the determiners of distribution. And in seventh, interrogative determiners, the word for example, whose house is this, the word whose, it is interrogative determiner. And in second, which painting would you like to buy, so which, the word which, it is determiner, and which determiner, it is interrogative determiner. So students, I hope you all have understood about the determiner and its kind. So I think it will be beneficial for you. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, and I hope it will be beneficial. Thank you. Bye bye.